Hello guys, my name is Micha. I'm a designer and entrepreneur. I'm here to help you to reach the next level. If you are interested by design, skills and investment, you are in the right place. Enjoy. Today, let's talk about interesting program and apps you could use for your self-investment. Let's talk about Notion app. Make calendar lists, schematics, retro planning, blog. It's possible with Notion. It's very intuitive. I use and I recommend you to use Notion app. It changed my entire life. Before to find Notion, I use Excel. I plan my retro planning and calendar in Excel. YouTube Studio with analytics tools is very poor. I discovered these tools, power tools, everything changed for my YouTube channel, for my personal and professional projects. If you want to create your own website, I recommend you to use Wix. It makes it easy to use. I decided to create my website with Wix. I want to optimize my employability skills for my personal and professional project. With Wix, you could use your total creativity. You are very free. This interface is very simply to use. I love it. I use Canva for my personal branding. It's very interesting and easy to use too. There's a lot of possibility and option, brand, text, color, image. If you have a different app you use, I think it's very interesting to use instabio. Instabio make it easy to put your different apps in the same place. It's very interesting for your audience to find your different personal and professional project. It means your audience find easily your website, Instagram, your LinkedIn, YouTube channel, etc. If you want to improve your soft skills and hard skills, I recommend you to use Elephorm. It's very interesting in this platform. You have a lot of hard skills and soft skills. You could form yourself. I recommend you to use Elephorm for your personal and professional project. It's amazing platform who include a lot of knowledge and I love it. Tell me in comment which apps and programs you use for your different personal and professional projects and for your self-investment. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any question about design, skills and investment, don't forget to comment below. Bye bye.